You may have already enabled two-step verification on your account and feel very reassured that no one can get near it now. But let me tell you something a lot of people still don't know. There may still be another device that is allowed to receive the prompt. Are you trying to sign in? So you think you closed the door, when in reality, it may still be slightly open. And in this video, I'll show you one of the most dangerous things many people forget to review inside Google account security. And if you find a device there that isn't yours, you need to remove it immediately. The first thing we need to understand, a lot of people, once they enable two-step verification, feel like the account is 100% protected. And that feeling is comforting. But it doesn't always mean everything is actually fine. Because two-step verification is not just a number being sent or a code you receive. There's also a method called Google Prompt, which is the notification that appears on your phone and asks, "Are you trying to sign in?" And this is where the dangerous part begins. If there is an old device, or a device you had your account signed in on before, or even a device that isn't yours and you didn't realize is still linked to the account, then you need to review it yourself. Because a lot of people never even look at this part at all. Open. Settings. Then Google. Then manage your Google account. Or you can access your account through the Gmail app. Tap your profile picture, then tap Manage Your Google Account. Go to Security. And here you'll find everything related to protecting your account. Your password, two-step verification, linked devices, sign-in methods, and more. You need to focus very carefully here, because the next part is the most important point in the entire video. Scroll down until you find two-step verification and tap it. A lot of people, as soon as they see it enabled, say, okay, everything is fine, but no, you're not supposed to only look at whether it's turned on. You're supposed to look at what is connected to it and who can still receive the sign in approval prompt. And that is the difference between someone who actually secured their account and someone who only thinks they did. Inside the two-step verification settings, look for Google Prompt or the section related to phones, devices that receive approval prompts. Here, you need to look at every device listed in front of you one by one. Ask yourself a very clear question. Do I recognize this device? Do I actually still have it? Am I still using it? If the answer is no, or you are not even 100% sure about it, then it needs to be removed immediately. Why? Because the presence of a strange device here means that this device had some relationship with your account, and that alone is not something you should leave without reviewing. If you find an old device you sold, or a phone you lost, or a device you used to have your account signed in on a long time ago, or even a device name that looks unfamiliar, remove it immediately from the linked devices or sign it out of the account. Don't say, "It's probably not important," or "I already changed my password before," because the mistake a lot of people make is that they review the password, but they do not review the devices that may still have access or are still linked to the account. And that is one of the most dangerous things, honestly. And this is very, very important. If you actually find a strange device or feel that something about the account is not normal, then after removing it, change your password immediately review your recovery methods, and make sure your phone number and backup email belong only to you, so you can close any door that may still be open without you realizing it. In the end, if this video actually helped you, leave a like so it can reach more people who think their account is safe when it still needs review. And subscribe to the channel because I have more videos coming about security mistakes that most people make while feeling completely safe. And write in the comments, have you ever checked the devices that receive Google Prompt before? Or is this the first time you've heard about this?